It's Rick Drury again at World of Wheels, Indianapolis, 2018. I'm here with Terry Clark. He's got a gorgeous, what year is it, C10?
64.
64 C10. I didn't want to say 65. The gorgeous 64 C10. You got to tell me a little bit, how long have you had the truck and what sparked you to build this?
Oh, what sparked me to build is I like trucks, like the body style of this thing. I wanted it more for just buzzing around, driving, so I got that. Always wanted one to be black, you know, just the whole style of this. Mostly I wanted, you know, a good ride, dependable vehicle, but more on the looks department.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about the interior and what all you did.
Well, I always wanted the shifter up in the air, you know, when you were a kid. You remember the, you know, all the cartoon characters, and they had the shifter clear up here. I thought that was pretty cool. So as we were designing that, we wanted it to look more like the door handles and everything.
Okay.
So we cut that out instead of having a little chrome handle down there. We had painted all the panels for this, and I had bought handles for it and everything. Thought that was going to look good, but with the black, all that tying in.
Right. No,
so
it brings everything together.
It brought everything together.
All right, now who did all the work for you?
His name is Josh Wells. He's from WickedKolor, 106th in college. He did this in the shop, and if you've seen the little shop that he did this out of, you wouldn't believe it. It's so crunched.
Now, what do you think, what was the biggest struggle in building this truck?
The biggest struggle building the truck was just the time that takes, you know, to just every day is like Christmas when you're doing this stuff, because when you get the frame done, it's something new, you know. You put the body on there, then you start putting the fenders on. Every day is something new.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. No, well thought out. I mean, well thought out. You ought to do well. Now, you're going to show it for a while, or
I've never showed vehicles. I'll just be honest with you. I think it's kind of silly that I got to pay somebody to come in here and look at my vehicle. So it's never been my passion.
So you're just celebrating it being done.
I'm celebrating it being done. I took my wife here last night, and she was happy with it. You know, when you spend this kind of money, it takes a little bit of patience from the other side too, and she's really happy with the outcome. So
we'll give a lot of credit to your wife.
Yeah,
that's right. All right, Terry, it was nice meeting you. You got a great truck. Great truck.
I look forward to seeing yours when it's done too.
Okay.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto. Insuring your vehicle. Insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.